years, this man has built a following of entrepreneurs in the millions. He's sold hundreds of thousands of his books, popularized the concept sales funnels. He's co-founded the software company Clickfunnels that has gone to over 100,055,000 customers in just 3 years. He is the king of funnels, the internet's favorite entrepreneur, affiliate marketing genius, container of expert secrets. He is an American storyteller. Ladies and gentlemen, bring to the stage with a thunderous 10x applause, Mr. Russell Brunson!
Clickfunnels has established itself as the go-to funnel building software among online businesses. In fact, it practically pioneered the category and remains the top choice for many entrepreneurs. If you don't know yet, Clickfunnels ranks among the most sought-after marketing SaaS companies. It offers a quick, easy, and efficient marketing tool that assists business owners with a non-technical background in developing their online presence and increasing their conversion rates. In this review of Clickfunnels, I'll answer all your questions and help you figure out if it's right for your business. But before we get started, let's go over the basics. What are sales funnels? Sales funnels are the series of steps that take someone from being a visitor to your website to becoming a customer. Clickfunnels makes setting up these sales funnels easier, so you can focus on other important parts of your business. The first step in a sales funnel is called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is an incentive, such as a free resource or exclusive offer, provided to potential customers in exchange for their contact information. Lead magnets can take the form of discount codes, webinars, white papers, ebooks, templates, and other valuable resources. People might find your website through an ad, a link from a friend, or a Google search. After someone shows interest, the next step is to keep them engaged with things like newsletters, audiobooks, and more. If they sign up for your service, the sales funnel sends automated emails to help build trust. For example, an astrologer might offer a free chart analysis on their landing page. Then they might follow up with monthly emails offering free readings that end with a cliffhanger, encouraging people to sign up for a more in-depth interpretation. How does Clickfunnels work? Building sales funnels can be tricky, but thanks to Clickfunnels, you can set up efficient funnels quickly and easily. Their drag-and-drop templates and funnel builder make it a breeze to create the perfect funnel. Plus, their all-in-one dashboard ensures everything is in one place for effortless management. Clickfunnels pricing. Clickfunnels has 3 pricing plans: Basic, Pro, and Funnel Hacker. The Basic plan is the starting tier and costs $127 per month, while the Pro plan costs $157 per month. Although the Basic plan offers essential features, it may not be suitable for larger businesses. If you need more advanced features, the Pro plan is a better choice. It offers way more funnels, landing pages, and follow-up funnels, as well as email marketing and segmentation. These features can help you increase your conversion rate. And if you really want to go big and scale your business, then the Funnel Hacker plan offers unlimited funnels as well as 3 times more websites and admin users. It costs $208 per month. Clickfunnels features and benefits. Clickfunnels is a comprehensive digital marketing tool that offers a multitude of features to enhance the functionality and customization of your website. While all of its features work together seamlessly, there are a few that truly set Clickfunnels apart from other marketing tools. One of the standout features of Clickfunnels is its drag-and-drop page builder. This tool allows you to create professional-looking landing pages with ease, without requiring any coding or design experience. With this user-friendly feature, entrepreneurs have the freedom to create and edit their web pages and funnels without needing technical expertise or a team of programmers. Another key feature of Clickfunnels is its A/B testing capability. This tool lets you evaluate multiple pages of your sales funnels and quickly identify poor-performing elements. This helps you optimize your landing pages to achieve maximum impact, and the comparison is presented in a visual format that's easy to understand. Additionally, Clickfunnels offers seamless integration with third-party opt-in forms, making it easy to create an email list that can help drive conversions. With thousands of templates to choose from, you can create eye-catching and user-friendly opt-in forms that streamline the lead generation process. Creating a mailing list is a breeze with Clickfunnels' opt-in email funnel. This feature enables you to gather leads and contact information without the need for third-party marketing tools. Like many other email automation platforms, Clickfunnels allows you to send emails in bulk. You can schedule emails to be sent at a specific date and time with this feature. Managing multiple affiliate programs is effortless with Clickfunnels' affiliate dashboard. You can easily access all the necessary statistics in one place, from tracking promotional products to identifying which program generates the most revenue. Boosting sales and profits has never been simpler with Clickfunnels' one-click upsell and downsell feature. This feature simplifies the checkout process for customers and collects their personal information and payment preferences for future purchases. You can also add more products to your upsell or downsell pages using the one-time offer templates. Clickfunnels' order forms feature is essential for the checkout process. With its customizable templates, you can easily create one-step or two-step order forms that form the foundation for your one-click upsell or downsell pages. The Member Access page is an excellent feature for entrepreneurs who want to offer exclusive content to members. Once customers purchase a membership program, you can provide them with access to specific video, image, and text content within the Clickfunnels membership platform. You can also schedule the release of your content using the drip delay feature. This helps with better time management and content planning. Clickfunnels provides a wide range of pre-designed funnel templates. While these templates are ready to use, you can always customize them to fit your brand image and purpose. This makes it ideal for e-commerce beginners. Sales analytics allow entrepreneurs to track the performance of their sales funnels. You can view statistics such as earnings per click and gross income at different stages of your funnel. In addition to payment processors, Clickfunnels also integrates with other popular and powerful marketing software that can boost your conversion rates quickly. And if the list of integrations is still not enough, you can connect your Clickfunnels account with even more apps through Zapier integration. Here you can see a few examples of possible integrations at Clickfunnels. Things I like about Clickfunnels: don't waste any more time with tech guys. Speaks volumes about its main selling point, simplicity. While it may take some time for beginners to get familiar with all the features, the learning curve is not steep. Funnelflix videos and Russell Brunson's books are also available as resources for assistance. The Clickfunnels dashboard is user-friendly and straightforward, without sacrificing customization options. Overall, using Clickfunnels is much easier than building a funnel from scratch. Clickfunnels API integrations are highly efficient and negate the need for a dedicated team for designing, payment processing, email responding, and more. Its impressive list of integrations with popular marketing and productivity tools ensures that your business gets the best from every aspect. Clickfunnels Landing Page Builder is one of the best in the market, even though the company advertises its sales funnel concept more prominently. Many users utilize it exclusively for building landing pages. Clickfunnels' drag-and-drop editor and A/B testing feature are highly useful for online business owners. After building a funnel, you can test it, make changes as needed, and duplicate successful templates for future use. Clickfunnels is an all-in-one marketing tool that empowers you to take control of your business. You can create web page templates, formulate a mailing list, and more with just a few clicks. It strikes a balance between functionality and accessibility. Things I don't like about Clickfunnels: although Clickfunnels is ideal for small businesses, the cost of a marketing funnel membership may deter some entrepreneurs from investing in it. While this isn't a major issue, it's something to consider before making a financial commitment. One common complaint among users is poor customer service. While the team is responsive to basic inquiries, they may not be as eager to assist with more complex issues. Clickfunnels has a tendency to introduce changes frequently, including updates to their list of free tools. While this doesn't typically disrupt the user experience, it may be off-putting for those who prefer a more stable platform. Clickfunnels review FAQs. Who is Clickfunnels best for? Clickfunnels is ideal for startups, small businesses, and service providers, particularly those in the creative field. This includes coaches, instructors, consultants, and other professionals who have a vision but lack technical expertise. Is there a free plan for Clickfunnels? Yes, Clickfunnels offers a 14-day free trial that enables users to explore its sales generation and business management tools. Clickfunnels review wrap-up. Is Clickfunnels the best option? Almost. It offers everything required to start an online business and allows customization while maintaining the efficiency and quality of your webpage. The inconsistent user interface is a minor issue when considering the extensive list of integrations and expertly designed templates. Overall, Clickfunnels is a promising marketing tool and landing page editor that streamlines sales automation and increases conversions. You can try Clickfunnels for free. Join more than 100,000 creators and entrepreneurs who are actively using Clickfunnels to easily get their product and their message out to the world. You can cancel at any time. Click the link in the description box below to get started with a 14-day free trial or join the 30-day funnel challenge.